Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bug squisher game in Scratch. First we're going to want to delete the cat. Then go to sprite and choose a sprite. It's a game where you have to squish bugs with the mouse. So we're going to want a bug costume. So we're going to go to animals. And we'll choose Ladybug. So, first we're going to want to make a costume for the Ladybug that's the squished version. So we're going to go to costumes. And the second one, we can just duplicate this. Zoom out. Okay, now we can fill that in and maybe move it a little bit more that way. Then we're gonna change the color to gray or green. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to code and go on green flag, click, motion, and glide 1 second to random position. Then we're gonna put a forever. So this is really slow and it's really easy to catch. So we're gonna make this glide 0.5 seconds. That's better, but I want mine to be a little harder, so I'm gonna put 0.3. Now, it's in the squish costume right now and I haven't touched the bug. So we're gonna make another code. That's when green flag clicked. Looks, switch costume to Ladybug A, which is the regular Ladybug. Now, if this sprite is clicked, switch costume to Ladybug A2, which is the squish costume, and then stop all. But we're gonna have other ladybugs, so we're gonna put stop other scripts and sprite. Now we're gonna want to duplicate this a few times. And start the game. There we go. So that is how you make a bug squisher game in Scratch. So thank you guys for watching and bye.